Have you ever wondered why some people become rich while most people spend their entire lives struggling with money? Think about it. Every morning, millions of people wake up, go to work, come home tired, repeat the same routine for years. Yet very few ever achieve financial freedom. Why? Are rich people smarter? Do they work harder? Or do they know something that most people don't? The answer might surprise you. Because the biggest reason people never become rich has nothing to do with how much money they make. In fact, some people earn a lot of money and still stay broke. Let me explain. Imagine two people. Both earn the same salary. One becomes wealthy, the other stays stuck. What's the difference? It's not income, it's behavior. Most people spend money first and think about investing later. The moment they get a raise, they upgrade their lifestyle. A better phone, a better car, more subscriptions, more expenses. And before they realize it, their higher income has changed nothing. They're still living paycheck to paycheck, just with more expensive bills. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest wealth killers in the world. Now here's where things get interesting. Rich people don't think like most people. When they get extra money, they don't immediately ask, "What can I buy?" Instead, they ask, "How can I make this money grow?" That single question changes everything, because wealthy people understand something most people ignore. Money can work. Just like a person works for money, money can also work for its owner. And the more money works for you, the less you have to work for money. That's why wealthy people focus on buying assets, things that put money into their pockets, while most people spend their income on things that lose value over time. And that's exactly where the gap begins. But there's another reason, and honestly, this might be the biggest one. Most people are impatient. They want results immediately. They want to get rich fast, they chase shortcuts, they jump from one opportunity to another, looking for the next big thing. But wealth doesn't usually work like that. Real wealth is boring. It's built slowly, month after month, year after year. While everyone else is looking for a shortcut, successful people are building habits, and those habits eventually create extraordinary results. Think about planting a tree. For months, you see almost nothing, but underneath the ground, the roots are growing. Then one day, the growth becomes impossible to ignore. Wealth works the same way. The problem is, most people quit before they ever see the results. They stop investing, they stop learning, they stop improving, and then they wonder why nothing changed. The truth is, building wealth isn't about being lucky. It's about making small, smart decisions consistently, again and again, for years. And that's exactly what most people fail to do. So, why do 90% of people never become rich? Because they spend before they invest. Because they focus on looking rich instead of becoming rich. Because they want fast results in a game that rewards patience. And because they underestimate the power of small decisions repeated over time. But here's the good news. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need a high-paying job, and you don't need to be a genius. You simply need to do what most people refuse to do. Think long-term, invest consistently, keep learning, and let time work in your favor. Because wealth is not created overnight. It's created one decision at a time. And the sooner you start, the better your future can become. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Wealth Blueprint. And remember, the goal isn't to look wealthy. The goal is to become wealthy. Thanks for watching.